Yeah, it was really special. I was really expecting a lot from this party because I heard really good things about Slovenia and this club. And it was amazing. You know, it was like 2 comments of yesterday, from some people.
Yeah.
And I've got in my space some comments, positive comments, and yeah, I did a different set. I tried something different and I'm really amazed with everything.
To hold me tight, that would be fair.
Yeah, I had like 4 or 5 new tracks, and I played, you know, and I tried to write something different now, like instrumental and like, you know, like testing new stuff, and it was really great.
Someone should take my hand to be a team with me. So nice, life would be so nice if one day I find someone who will take my hand, some that you like me.
Because I listen to all kinds of music, and I'm listening a lot to Red Hot Chili Peppers and Black Sabbath and Led Zeppelin and minimal techno, progressive house.
And give his heart to me, someone who's ready to give love.
I just started listening to drum bass 6 years ago, and you know, they are the guys you know, the guys who made me be into drum bass. So yeah, I am really like a big fan of them. I'm a big fan of Marky, you know, and you know, just being here and making music with them, actually making music with Marky and being friends of them, it's just amazing. You know, if I just stop my life and realize what is happening, it's just amazing because, you know. But with Marky, my partnership with Marky, it's happening so natural.
To hold me tight, that would be very nice. Someone to love me right.
Since I just released my first album this year, Down to Earth. And since this album, I just, you know, have been concentrated on DJing. So it's the end of the 3rd tour of the year, and I wrote like 5 tracks. I have 1 release now for coming on Big Ganja, and another release coming on Solar, 1 track. But you know, I'm starting to write some different stuff for the next year.
Not just drum and bass.
Yeah, drum bass as well, but you know, I started to get into minimal tech, you know, and progressive house and some different stuff, and I really want to, you know.
Someone who's ready to give love and start with me. Oh yes, that would be so nice. I could see you and me.
I started playing guitar like 16 years ago, and then in '99 I just formed this band, which is, you know, my brother was the bass player, and we got a really good drum player, and each one just like different stuff. Like my brother is very influenced by Red Hot Chili Peppers, etc. But I showed them progressive rock, which is or jazz and progressive rock, and we started to make songs like that because it was an instrumental band, and our main influence was like, you know, progressive rock, Pink Floyd, you know, like 70s sound.
70s progressive.
Yeah, and it's my main influence. You know, I have everything I do.
Rock music.
Yeah, I am always, you know, I always listen to Yes is my main influence, you know, ever.